Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rakuten Advertising for US store partnerships, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Rakuten Advertising for US store partnerships, start by visiting the Rakuten Advertising website. Locate the Become a Partners section on the homepage. Click on the link to explore partnership opportunities. Create an account by filling out the required registration form. Make sure to provide accurate information about your business. Check your email for a confirmation link from Rakuten Advertising. Follow the link to verify your email address and activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and features. Next, explore the Advertisers section. Search for potential partners that align with your business goals. Click on the profiles of the advertisers you are interested in. Review each advertiser's program details and commission structures. If an advertiser meets your criteria, click on the Join Program button. Complete any additional forms required for the application. Be prepared to provide information about your website traffic and marketing strategies. After submitting your application, wait for approval from the advertiser. Keep an eye on your email for notifications regarding your application status. Once approved, review the program terms and conditions carefully. Now you can start creating content to promote the advertiser's products. Use the provided links and monitor your performance metrics through the dashboard. Stay engaged with the Rakuten community for additional support and resources. Continue to expand your partnerships by following similar steps for other advertisers. Build lasting relationships by regularly communicating with your partners. Stay updated on new offers and program changes through the Rakuten platform. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully connecting with Rakuten Advertising for US store partnerships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.